Yo, hey everybody, it's Todd from Toji Racing, Metal. Phoebe's here too. Say hi, Phoebe. Good girl. All right, today we are looking at my friend Mike's second car. Mike's been busy. Mike's helping me on the camera, by the way. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
There you go, perfect. All right, we got Mike's new BMW 3.5 CSL. Beautiful, beautiful car. Let me get it removed here from this thingamabob, whatever you call these things, the case bottom, and we'll take a close look at it. Phoebe, can you get out of the way? Hope everybody's doing good today. We're all really enjoying this hobby and becoming children again, which is good because we're not children in any way, shape, or form, you know what I mean? All right, here we go. This car is really a sexy car. I love the fact that it's black and blue, and then with the red stripes, I don't even mind that. It being red. Got some sweet little mobile liveries here and here, and Bosch. Nice grille. You can see the whole BMW grille. This is a 70s BMW, right, Mike?
1976.
There you go. And it's got the air dams, of course, added to the car, and some more Bosch livery and Beilstein. Sweet, sweet wheels. Nice exhaust. Beautiful fin in the back even. You can see the cage. And there you can see your driver through there with the BMW livery. He looks pretty sharp. Oh, and it even has the driver names for the driver teams right there, which is pretty cool. Some neat little ribbing. Very cool car. Very cool car. All right. Oh, and in the back, you got your taillights there, which is pretty sweet. And whatever Alpina is. And more mobile. All right, we're going to take this into the track room. And Mike's going to give it a test run. Before we do it, this is something everybody should do. Set your little braided wires up. Kind of like springs, your contacts. You want them to look kind of like that so that they're always maintaining contact as it goes through the track. And you got to do this every now and then with these cars because as you drive them, of course, you know, they get flattened out. All right, let's try not to trip over Phoebe. And we'll remember to set the car up this time. We forgot last time. All right. Speed is at 4, good. Braking, 3, good. Fuel, 3, good. Keyed into the controller. All right, Mike, it's all yours. Yeah.
Oh.
You gotta watch that. You shut your headlights off. Don't take off right away. Wait, hit your track button. There you go. Yep, take it easy first. Don't know that car yet. This one's looking fast already, Mike. You gotta quit doing that.
Every time you say that.
I'll get it. That corner's gonna be the death of you.
Oh, almost got spun totally around.
Got these new crash walls from Carrera slots that are really sweet. They look really nice and they do a great job on these very tricky corners.
Uh-oh. Gasoline.
Notice how it slows your ass down? Gotta love that. You got to quit doing that. Well, you guys get the idea. This is a nice running car. And thanks for checking out the closer look. As always, we appreciate you stopping by and checking things out. If you like this content, please give us a like and a subscribe. And come back for future updates. Thanks, everybody. Race on. Doji Racing out.